देखिए, when we lost, when the Pink Panthers lost our inaugural match, it was like चलो काला टीका नजर के लिए हमारा लोगो ही नजर बट्टू है, so yeah, I think we'll be good. I don't think these guys like losing a lot, so yeah, they're going to do everything to win. It doesn't matter. Like I said, as long as they all remain healthy and they're fit, I'll be fine.
Abhishek, hi, this is Abhishek. Hi, this is Sonia here.
Hi, Sonia.
Yeah, okay. Abhishek, you're
Sonia, where are you from?
From IBN7.
IBN7, wow.
Yeah, hi. Okay, Abhishek, your love for sports is clearly visible. Talking about films, would you like to articulate your love for sports in films as well, if given a chance?
Means you want me to say a dialogue saying I love sports? Ji, zarur. I love sports-based films. They've been actually some of the most inspiring films for me. There are innumerous amount of films made on sports that I love. But you know, the thing about a sports film is it can't be a documentation of the sport. Then you just make a documentary. If you're making a film on sports or a sports film, it has to be the triumph of a human spirit. I'd love to. Am I looking at something right now? There isn't anything right now, but it'll be an absolute pleasure. The last time I was asked this, and I gave an answer as well, when they asked me if there was a cricketer I'd like to make a film on, I said I'd love to make a film on Yuvraj. But a sports-based film, I think the sports genre is something that hasn't really been exploited by our film industry. And I think that, you know, we can make them. I'd love to. I would absolutely love to.
Abhishek, आपसे एक सवाल. Abhishek here, Salma here from Zoom.
Salma from Zoom.
Abhishek, आपने क्यों नहीं पहनी जर्सी इस वक्त?
क्योंकि मैं सूट पहना हुआ हूँ.
अच्छा. I mean, मुझे लगा शायद पहनेंगे.
मैं पहन लेता हूँ आपके लिए.
Please पहनिए.
You know I always wear my jersey.
Spirit.
I will. I'll put it on for you, especially for you.
Thanks so much. Abhishek, आपको ऐसा लगता है?
You want me to put it on now?
Yeah, why not?
In front of everybody?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Woo!
You need to take off the...
Awesome. अब ये हुई ना बात सर.
That was your question, Salma?
No, sir.
You wanted to see me strip. Then?
Okay, मेरा सवाल ये था सर, आप जैसे बड़े स्टार्स जब एक स्पोर्ट्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं, जैसे आपने कबड्डी को किया, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अभी रुचि जो है, मतलब जो इंटरेस्ट है स्पोर्ट्स को लेकर अब लोगों की ज्यादा बढ़ गई, अब लोग सोचने लगे हैं स्पोर्ट्स को लेकर, कबड्डी जैसे आपने चीज को बाहर लाई, सामने लाया, सपोर्ट किया, नाउ इट्स फुटबॉल?
I definitely think people are more interested in sports apart from cricket in India today. I don't think that has much to do with film stars. The sports are great. You know, if the athletes are not going to perform well, if the players are not going to keep the audience captivated, there's nothing any film star can do. See, you have to understand, हमारे जितने भी franchisee owners हैं ISL में, हालांकि बहुत सारे film stars हैं, sportsmen भी हैं, but they're there out of passion and love for football. Okay? I don't think people are going to come to the Chennaiyin home matches because I'm the owner. Okay, maybe if I was playing, actually no, then even fewer people would come. But they're going to come because of all these gentlemen here, you know. And football is an outstanding sport. It's a great sport. It's played widely in India. It just needs a proper structure, and that is what we're trying to provide in the ISL. And, you know, whenever Vita and I sit down and discuss about, you know, what are the ways to try and lure the audience in, we always end up with just one answer, and that is all these boys. You know, the way they perform, the way they conduct themselves is going to bring in the audiences. And that's it. So I think there are 1.2 billion people. I told you this once before also. I was in Rio for, you know, the World Cup finals. And I had the pleasure of meeting Mr. Sepp Blatter, who's the head of FIFA. और उन्होंने मुझसे कुछ कहा जो मुझे खटका थोड़ा सा. He said, 1.2 billion people and you can't put 11 people on a pitch. So I think part of the ISL is here to prove Mr. Blatter wrong and say we are 1.2 billion people and we can put 11 people on a pitch. And all these people are here to help us do that. And I really do hope and pray that some of the people sitting on this dais who are Indian players have the pride to represent India at the World Cup and face brilliant players like Boyan and Bernard over there. So I really feel that the players are going to make the ISL a success, not us.
Right. Next question is next, Abhishek. Hello, Abhishek.
Yes. Chotu.
Chotu.
हाँ.
Yeah, that's
मैंने उसको छोटू बोला दिया था. Because backstage they say Abhishek, we both turn around.
Yeah. Tell us, Abhishek, what is your first reaction when आपको बताया गया कि you are part of this team? And Abhishek Bachchan is the owner of this team.
देखिए ऐसा मतलब ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत बढ़िया फीलिंग्स है कि हम लोग आईएसएल में हैं और वीटा मैम अभिषेक भाई ऐसा ओनर मिलना हम लोग के लिए बहुत नसीब का बात है. तो हम लोग बहुत खुश है ऐसा हम लोग को ओनर मिला और वो लोग हम लोग को हर तरफ से बहुत अच्छा से सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. तो अभी हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि आईएसएल में अपना बेस्ट देने के लिए और आईएसएल फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग का ही चेन्नई एफसी के लिए हम लोग जीतने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे.
Yeah, thank you. All the best.
Abhishek, Sakhi here from Headlines Today and Aaj Tak. You've been an avid football fan, like you made it very clear at the start of the presser. You've seen a lot of EPL matches. I'm sure you must follow a particular club which is your favorite, out of all the European clubs. Do you think ISL, with the way it's going right now, can take on the, La Liga or EPL or any of these bigger European football leagues, so as to say?
Currently?
Yeah.
No. And I mean that with the greatest of intentions. You have to understand we're starting off as a league. And when you're starting off, you have to start with baby steps. And I don't think anybody over here will say that, yeah, we can take on the Barças or the Chelseas or the Uniteds. Yeah, we can organize friendly matches and we might even win one or two. But, you're talking about the top level of football. And we're a league that's just starting up. I think everybody has to show a bit of patience. The aim is to compete with them. We hope that in the Club World Cup someday that Chennai FC meets one of the big giants from Europe or from South America. That'll be an aim of ours. And I'm sure everybody, including our international players, will say the same thing. But we're a new club. And like any new club, you have to give them time to allow the system to fall into place. So currently, we're not even looking at competing with them. Right now, we're looking to compete with the rest of our franchisees in ISL. Let's conquer that first step and then set our sights on the bigger clubs.
Also, the international players, they're coming here, they're playing with a lot of Indian players as well. What is the kind of experience that they have maybe they've spoken to you about it, the kind of quality of football?
We have two of the best with us, so why don't you ask them? I'll pass it to Bernard,
Sorry? What's the kind of experience you've had here so far in the practice sessions, in the on ground right now with the Indian players that you're playing with?
With the Indian players, I like to play with us because they listen. And Abhishek is my little brother, like I said, with another mother, but he's a good man, and every time he come and say what I can do the best, what I can play the best. So I think we have here in Indian, we can play some good games. We have a lot good player. Okay, so Abhishek is a little bit small, but he has something, and we try to do the best for me. I want to win the league, so we'll do that together.
Abhishek, do you want to answer from me as well?
Can you?
Yeah, of course, I'll give it to you. I'm quite good at talking, as you know. I'll start off. My boss is talking quite well for a Chelsea fan. I like that. I'm not a Chelsea fan myself, but it's okay. We are blue. I'll take that as well. I'll speak a little bit about my team, or our team, our club. What I like about us is from day one, We never ate separately. We never went to training separately. That's what I mean, is that Indians didn't go sit at one table. Foreigners didn't sit at one table. We gelled together. And you can only do that, being a foreigner, is taking in the culture, the tradition, and ask questions. Because I know this is not Stockholm, this is not Belgrade, when things sometimes run smoothly. You'll have to beep the horn, a little bit less in Mumbai and different other cities. But I get used to that as well. And Indian players like to ask questions. They want to improve, and so do I. I didn't come here to fill my pockets and to go home after 3 months. I want to win this effing league, and I will do it with my boys, you know? And I want to do it together. And I promise to people in Chennai or in the ISL that we will fight to the last minute. Doesn't matter what the score is, we will play for this shirt and make people proud like the Chennai Super Kings done with Chennai. That's it. Thank you.
Another question I want to ask Abhishek. Abhishek, your